Create your own marketing agency and make money in weeks. Hi, welcome to Cash Flow. Creating your own marketing agency is a very good side hustle to start in. So, in this video, we will be discussing the best niches to start in, tips and tricks to make money quickly, and how to get your agency up and running in no time. Part 1. Why start a marketing agency? Starting a marketing agency can be a lucrative business opportunity. With the rise of digital marketing and online businesses, there is a high demand for marketing services. By starting your own agency, you can offer these services to businesses and make a profit. Additionally, you have the freedom to work from anywhere and choose your own clients. But starting a marketing agency is not just about making money. It's also about helping businesses grow and succeed. As a marketing agency, you have the power to help businesses reach their goals and achieve success. This can be incredibly rewarding and fulfilling. Part 2. Best niches to start in. When starting a marketing agency, it's important to choose a niche to specialize in. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract clients who are looking for specific services. Here are some of the best niches to start in. 1. Social media marketing. With the increasing popularity of social media platforms, businesses are looking for experts who can help them grow their social media presence. By specializing in social media marketing, you can help businesses reach their target audience and build a loyal following. 2. Search engine optimization. SEO is essential for businesses that want to rank higher on search engines and attract more traffic to their website. By specializing in SEO, you can help businesses improve their online visibility and attract more customers. 3. Email marketing. Email marketing is a cost-effective way for businesses to reach their customers and promote their products or services. By specializing in email marketing, you can help businesses create effective email campaigns that drive sales and engagement. 4. Content marketing. Content marketing involves creating valuable content that attracts and engages an audience. This can include blog posts, videos, and social media posts. By specializing in content marketing, you can help businesses create content that resonates with their audience and drives traffic to their website. 5. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. PPC advertising involves placing ads on search engines and social media platforms. This can be an effective way for businesses to reach their target audience. By specializing in PPC advertising, you can help businesses create effective ad campaigns that drive conversions and sales. Part 3. How to get your agency up and running. Here are the steps to get your marketing agency up and running. 1. Choose your niche. Choose a niche to specialize in based on your skills and interests. 2. Build your website. Build a website that showcases your services and expertise. Make sure your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate. 3. Create a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and experience. Include case studies and testimonials from satisfied clients. 4. Set your prices. Set your prices based on the value you provide and the competition in your niche. Don't undervalue your services, but also don't overprice them. 5. Market your services. Market your services through social media, networking events, and online advertising. Use targeted ads to reach your ideal clients. 6. Start small. Start with a few clients and gradually build your business over time. Focus on delivering high-quality services and building strong relationships with your clients. Part 4. 5 free ways to get your first clients. 1. Leverage social media. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to showcase your marketing agency's expertise and build a following. Share relevant content, engage with potential clients, and use hashtags to increase your reach. 2. Attend networking events. Attend industry events, conferences, and trade shows to meet potential clients face-to-face. Be prepared with a pitch and business cards to make a lasting impression. 3. Referral marketing. Encourage your current clients to refer their friends and colleagues to your agency. Offer incentives for successful referrals, such as discounts or free services. 4. Cold emailing. Identify potential clients through online research and send them personalized emails introducing your agency and its services. Keep your message short and to the point, and include a clear call to action. 5. Content marketing. Create valuable content, such as blog posts, ebooks, and webinars, that showcase your agency's expertise and provide value to potential clients. Share your content on social media and other relevant platforms to attract potential clients to your agency. Part 5. Tips and tricks to make money in few weeks. 1. Offer a free trial. Offer a free trial of your services to potential clients. This will give them a taste of what you can offer and may lead to long-term business. 2. Focus on results. Focus on delivering results for your clients. If you can show them that your services are making a difference, they will be more likely to continue working with you. 3. Network. Attend networking events and conferences to meet potential clients and build relationships with other professionals in the industry. 4. Offer packages. Offer packages of services at a discounted rate. This can encourage clients to sign up for multiple services and increase your revenue. 5. Upsell. Once you have a client, look for opportunities to upsell additional services. This can increase your revenue and provide more value to your clients. Conclusion. Starting a marketing agency can be a great way to make money and help businesses succeed. By choosing a niche, focusing on results, and marketing your services effectively, you can attract clients and build a successful business. Remember to start small and gradually build your business over time. That's all for today, and see you next time.